Hey y'all, welcome to the MEATER channel. After a few cooks with MEATER, there may be a buildup of oil, cooking residue, and grease on the probe. You might see a layer of soot from long smokes, but there also might be a thin layer of grease that's not clearly visible. It's important to clean this off because the residue may prevent the probe from making proper contact to the charger. This means you won't be able to connect to the probe because the battery inside is drained. What you want to do is grab the rough side of a sponge and scrub the square ambient end with mild soap and warm water until it is sparkly clean. If you have a really thick layer of residue, you can grab 3 parts of baking soda, 1 part water to form a nice paste and help you scrub off that gunk. We highly recommend that you clean the probe after each use and dry it completely before placing it back into the charger. That way, you'll be ready for that perfect cook every time. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, follow us on social, and check out MEATER.com. Thanks for watching.